So, we have this nice little, I guess, in scrapping would be a copper bearing motor. Some people might think it's useful to take this apart, get the copper. I've done that in the past. Not too easy to do, and if you don't get it well enough with a hammer, you know, kind of loosen things up the first shot, it's kind of time consuming. So you have this, which is very heavy. This feels like at least 2-3 pounds right here, so this is going to be pretty good. Let's see what else we have here. We have some screws here, some cables. I think this is, I might be completely wrong, I'd have to see, but some kind of brass, so that's pretty good. We got the little button switch thing here. There might be silver in here, so open it up, see what's in there. Quite a bit of cable from what I see, which is good. Another copper bearing motor here, or at least what we scrappers would consider copper bearing motor. And we got a nice little green board here, nothing special on it, some capacitors and whatnot. So nice simple video here. Get these things out of here too, some more brass, cables, and some plastic. So stay tuned. I'm going to put the prices of all of this, once I have it all sorted out, at the end of my video and also in the description possibly, but most for sure 100% at the end of my video. So this was pretty quick, pretty short. 5 screws, not a lot of work. So I'm pretty sure this is going to be good value for scrapping. So hopefully I'll have another video shortly. Like, I'm really hoping to be able to do quite a bit in the next few days, some stuff I've been kind of hoarding and everything, so hopefully I can get another video out soon. Talk to you guys soon.